Imagine you're an ant, diligently performing your daily tasks, collecting food, caring for larvae, and defending your colony. You rely on instincts perfected over millions of years. Yet, completely hidden from your senses, a sinister force waits patiently to invade, control, and ultimately destroy you. This invisible threat is Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, popularly known as the zombie fungus. This fungus isn't fictional, it's a real-life biological nightmare, existing quietly but lethally in tropical forests. Its terrifying name is well-deserved, as it turns living insects into controlled, mindless zombies. The horror begins when spores from the fungus land on an unsuspecting ant. These microscopic spores attach to the ant's exoskeleton and begin to invade its body. Through enzymatic and mechanical processes, the fungus breaches the ant's protective exterior, slowly spreading internally. As the fungus grows, it releases chemicals that directly target the ant's nervous system, effectively hacking its brain. Researchers believe the fungus controls the ant by manipulating neurotransmitters and muscle control, forcing the ant's muscles to contract involuntarily. Over time, the ant's natural behaviors vanish, replaced entirely by the fungus's deadly commands. The ant loses its autonomy, becoming a puppet under complete fungal control. Once fully controlled, the infected ant exhibits bizarre and unnatural behaviors. It abandons the colony, an action completely alien to its survival instincts, and begins to climb. This vertical journey isn't random, it's precisely calculated by the fungus. Driven by the parasite's chemical commands, the ant finds itself gripping tightly onto a leaf or twig, exactly at the height and humidity ideal for the fungus to flourish. The ant, now powerless, clamps its jaws in a death grip, unable to release its hold. This final act, known as the death grip, ensures the ant stays exactly where the fungus needs it to be. Trapped and immobile, the ant is slowly consumed from within. The fungus uses the ant's nutrients, rapidly expanding until it eventually bursts from the ant's exoskeleton, typically from the head or thorax. This horrifying emergence spreads a shower of new spores downward, infecting even more ants and continuing this chilling cycle indefinitely. This gruesome finale turns the ant into a lifeless husk, now merely a fungal spore factory, fueling the continued survival of the Ophiocordyceps species. The effects of Ophiocordyceps unilateralis can be catastrophic for ant colonies. Entire colonies can become infected rapidly, reducing their populations significantly and disturbing the ecological balance. These colonies, littered with the husks of dead ants, become eerie graveyards, a haunting testament to nature's ruthless and cunning survival tactics. Despite the horror it inspires, the zombie fungus has drawn intense scientific interest. Researchers study Ophiocordyceps to unlock mysteries about neurological manipulation, chemical signaling, and the complex evolution of parasites. Understanding how the fungus manipulates host behavior at such a detailed biochemical level could lead to groundbreaking discoveries in medicine, neuroscience, and biological pest control. It isn't just ants who face this macabre fate. There are numerous species of cordyceps fungi, each evolving to control and infect a different insect host, including beetles, spiders, moths, and caterpillars. Each species uses unique, nightmarish methods to turn its victims into zombified hosts, demonstrating the extraordinary adaptability and sophistication of fungal parasites. Nature continues to astound us with its complexity, beauty, and sometimes, its terror. The zombie fungus shows us that reality can often rival our wildest imaginations, reminding us that survival in nature is a brutal game, filled with hidden dangers and unexpected threats. Would you survive a zombie fungus apocalypse? If you enjoyed exploring the darker, fascinating aspects of the natural world, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more incredible and chilling stories. See you in the next episode.